forgot my macro, but at least I got my body cam.
Some people had done on me.
We're crazy. I don't see nothing. (10:23) on scene. Okay, everyone must be dead. All right, thank you. That's all. I had to use my.
Dumbass. Damn. Got popped.
I use my.
Wait, Cam, did I shoot at you? Oh
I
my
use
god, I'm
my
so
macros.
sorry.
No, you ain't shooting me. You ain't shooting me. It was
Oh my god, I thought I did.
Nah, don't worry, I got him, not you.
You said
Shut up, fan ass bitch.
Stupid bitch. Learn how to aim right if you're gonna start shooting for some hoe.
Come to baseball field. Don't even drive all the way back up.
I swear, Jamal, you bring the cops to the apartment now. What the fuck?
Krista.
Pop your dumb
Y'all
ass through
whack
the wall.
anyways.
Yeah, we'll do that to you.
Y'all whack any.
Gotta be a level 3.